Don't have a CD? No problem. Here's how to install your HP printer in minutes. You don't need a CD to set up your HP printer on Windows 10 or 11. I'll show you the easiest methods step by step. First, turn on your printer and connect it to Wi-Fi. Then go to Settings, open Printers and Scanners, and click Add Device. Windows will automatically find and install your printer. If your printer doesn't show up, download the HP Smart app. It's the easiest way to connect and manage your printer.
Open the app and follow the simple on-screen steps. You can also connect your printer using a USB cable. Windows will install the drivers automatically.
If nothing works, go to the HP website, search your printer model, and download the latest driver.
Make sure your printer and computer are on the same Wi-Fi. Restart your devices if needed. And that's it. Your HP printer is ready to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides.